How to fix no app found to open URL error on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix no app found to open URL on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first, you'll have to just do a simple restart of your iPhone. For that, open up settings. Alright, after you open settings, tap on General. From General, scroll down at the bottom and tap on the option Shutdown, and after you restart your iPhone by tapping on Shutdown, you'll be able to fix that problem. So if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just back from there, and from the settings section again, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option Screen Time. Alright, from the Screen Time section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option Content and Privacy Restriction. Okay, so from the section Content and Privacy Restriction, you'll have to just turn off this from here, and as usual you can also check it on by tapping on the option Allowed Apps and Feature, and from this section you can manually choose any application that is allowed or not. So you can as usual check it, or directly you can turn it off at the top. So you can as it is do from here, and if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just try to open that link in your Safari. So by doing that process on your iPhone, you'll be able to fix that problem. So this is the easiest and simplest method. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.